If anybody runs into an issue where their garage door opener goes all the way up and stops at that hard metal stop on the rail, this old unit luckily has a manual back off to relieve the tension, and the culprit was a simple contact switch that informs the processor inside the unit to turn off. A simple sanding of fine grit sandpaper on the two contacts, and we have this. Just as it should be. So I hope this helps everybody. Might not work on every unit. This is a old unit. Do not know the model number. But original parts. Just needs a new light bulb. And easy fix. Thank you, and have a good one, and I hope this helped.